Deep breath again. Hi, I'm Matt and this is NotEnoughTECH. When it comes to home automation, there's more to Zigbee than just Agara devices. I've talked about Agara before, and now I've got Benexmart kit, which consists of the bridge itself. So it's just a wired router that's gonna connect to your Zigbee devices, and it comes with this set. It comes with 3 different devices. There is your temperature sensor with humidity. You can stick it anywhere. It has a sticker on the back and gonna update the temperature. And there is a very cute and small motion sensor. I honestly love this thing because of the size of it. It's really tiny. And I have a door sensor which works with a magnet, so you just put it on a door or window frame and it will tell you when the door has been opened. So those 3 sensors. Now this is compatible with the Tuya Smart app, and I've not used this app before, so I gave it a go. I was a little bit hesitant at first because it's, you know, it's a yet another smart automation app. However, the app is quite well designed. It actually reminds me of Xiaomi Mi Home app, so I'm quite pleased to say that the app is alright, and I'm gonna show you how it works. The pairing is really simple. Just click on the plus in the app, select your sensor or device you want to link, and then press the button and hold it until you see the tiny LED blinking on the sensor itself. Keep both together, your phone and the sensor near the Zigbee bridge, and in a couple of moments you'll see confirmation that your device has been successfully linked. One of the things I like about this is how responsive it gets. As soon as you activate the sensor, you get notification on your phone. It's really fast. The sensor is small. It has a sticker on the back in case you want to mount it on a vertical surfaces, and it has a button for pairing. In addition to that, if you press on the button, it will send a current reading of the temperature. Now the app itself has a history of a temperature and humidity which you can trace, and it has also alarms for the battery, so you could get a notification when the battery is running low. The PR sensor is probably the smallest I've seen in a while. It's absolutely cute and adorable, and it's super responsive as well, so notification comes to your phone almost instantly. Unfortunately, PR sensor doesn't come with any sensitivity or daylight adjustments, so everything has to be controlled from the app itself. Lastly, there is a door sensor with a log of when the door has been opened and closed as well. Now this is a simple hall sensor, so it works with a magnet. If you move the magnet about an inch apart from the sensor, it gets activated. The app itself comes with automation tab in which you can select your trigger, whether it's as one of the sensors or temperature level outside or even a time, and then you can activate action, which is gonna be probably either gonna start a light or a recording of something, or execute entire scenario which will consist of multiple actions. The app itself supports a lot of different services, so you can use your Amazon Echo, Google Assistant, IFTTT and a couple of others. You can even synchronize your Google Fit data, which means this environment has smart scales, etc. Right, I'm actually quite happy with the kit because it's very responsive. Now, the next write-up is going to be obviously integrating this with my Raspberry Pi, because I want to try to use all the sensors that I've got in here with Raspberry Pi and CC2531 USB to Zigbee stick. Now that's going to be one of the write-ups, and then I have 2 very cool projects using door sensors. So if you want to learn something really cool that you can do with your door sensors, just do follow me on social media, especially that I do not have a posting schedule. So if you want to know when the next write-up is up and posted and ready for you to read or watch, just follow me on social media and you'll get your notification. As for now, guys, thanks so much for watching. More details about this kit is in the description, so if you're interested in buying one, I'll just use the link from the description and I'll appreciate it. And I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye.